You better slap your sun cream on for this one because it's a scorcher here in Tenerife. 24 degrees as we walk from Las Rocas Beach Club all the way through to Playa Las Americas. Bad views, are they?
Hmm. $18. Where did it say that? Oh yeah.
Oh, some wave breaking down there.
Oh, I thought it would do something.
Don't worry, mate.
No, I know that, but if tu veux, what can you see?
I hope
Things
that's
to
not right.
see.
It says it's raining.
That's socials. Map, box, camera, telephone, bus. Not what that is.
Tourism. Information. Where's the map? Oh, then. Oh.
Yeah. That's not one way to
Yeah.
wear it.
More.
Paradise.
Yeah.
Where are we walking today, Reg?
To Los Cristianos.
From
Costa Adeje.
Las Rocas Beach Club. Is that right?
Yeah.
And we're going all the way through to Los Cristianos. Take you on a little walk today. What's the weather like?
Well, I don't know. On that machine, it said 18 degrees and raining.
But we've got beautiful skies. The waves are crashing in. It's January. Raining back home. But you can always rely on the winter sun in Tenerife.
I don't think they would have said that a week ago.
No, it's a bit rocky down here, isn't it? Bit of a rocky one. My sunglasses have got all sun lotion on. I've got a fuzzy old glare.
Sure, that's not your eyes.
And probably my eyes as well.
Oh.
It's bringing up square boxes.
Oh, trying to suit like home in on something.
Yeah, like 1,000 boxes come up on everyone's head. Oh shit. Oh, I'm swearing. Oh. Right, can you get the legendary €1 pint? Pint of beer, €2. We want the €1 pint. Does it still exist?
I'm not sure there's going to be one along here though. Oh yeah, I might say on there the temperature.
Huh?
On there, 23. Apparently.
23 degrees. Feels hotter. What's the time, Ray? Like 10:30? 10 o'clock?
20 to 11, I think.
20 to 11.
10:42.
Oh. And it's saying 23 degrees. Playa El Bobo.
El Bobo.
Yeah. Out the back of the H10 Grand Tenerife.
The toilet is out of service. Yeah, let's not get them on film.
Oh, which way? Which way?
Checking out. Somebody for the next. Oh yeah.
Having problems there. Yeah. Caught some waves coming in over there. It's a massive wave crashing in.
They'd knock you over.
Beautiful day. What you found, Ray?
Postcards.
Oh, yes. We're bringing back the postcard. Nobody sends them anymore. So we're going to start. That's hot. What we got? How much is a beer? We got 150 there. 150, 150.
I reckon that's probably the cheapest you're going to find
Getting
it along
cheaper?
here.
No, there's a Euro one somewhere.
What, along here?
Don't know. God, the wave breaking. What?
How cold do you reckon it is?
You go, girl. Very wavy down here today. Oh, yes. A bit of wave action, don't we, Ray?
Oh.
Alright, which way are we going? Should we dip down here and back up there?
Huh?
Should we see if we
On
can
the-
run
along here?
run the waves?
Yeah?
Gonna see if we can get across this beach without getting wet. You ready, Mil? Gotta be quick on this so we don't get wet.
Max's face.
Oh, will we make it? I don't know.
I'm going on this bit.
Oh shit. Whoa, we're running, we're running. We're running for our lives. Where's all the gang gone?
Yeah.
Is it gonna get them? Come on, waves, come on. Where's the waves when you need them? It's a washout.
Can you get it?
Yeah. Ooh. Stairs are not the best.
Right, I'll move out of the way. Better than I could have done.
Oh, look at that. What's that on? Start of Playa Las Rocas. Out of breath?
No, not too bad. Nothing beats the hotel one. Keep plodding forward.
Yeah. It's busy, isn't it? Lord have mercy.
Hotter today, that's what I was just saying, that yesterday it was really windy, weren't it?
Where are we going then, mate? Where are we now?
I don't know.
You don't know.
We are
At
on the way.
Start of the Las Americas Strip. Buddies, Los Cristianos. Las Americans. Got to go through this one. Halfway, I'd say. Halfway on our walk.
Ooh. All I know is this is the way to the strip.
Hotel Troya. Anyone ever stayed in there? Let us know in the comments. I have no idea what that's about. Looks nice though. Roasting today.
Get the tatters out. Do you recognise this bikini? Huh? Boobs a bit.
Coming up to your favourite place, haven't we, Ray?
What? Strip?
The strip. She loves the strip. Don't you?
No.
And by me.
The problem is you get drunk and oh. Lordy.
Oh, it's so hot. It's a hot one. Anyone stayed at the Hotel Gala? Is the microphone on? Oh my mate. Poor. Bit pongy down here. It smells like drains. Busy though. Oh my mate. Coming up to Veronica Strip.
Oh, it's better than what down there?
Should I be taking them?
What? You want to go down that way or up that way?
I don't know. Go down towards the Golden Mile. We'll go this way. We'll go along the Golden Mile. Cut through the Golden Mile down to Las Vistas Beach, is it? Yeah, then walk along up to Los Cris. There's the infamous Veronica's. It's a hut.
Looks a little bit different during the day, doesn't it?
God damn. That's so hot. Right, we did go down here on our first night, Monday night. We went in Oasis against my better judgment.
Shut up, you loved it.
What was the drinks deals in there, Rag? What did we get?
The drinks deal was, I don't know. Yeah,
four drinks each.
For 10 euros.
It worked out. It's 4 of us, 10 euros each, and we had 4 drinks each. And then somebody was sick.
We've still got 4 tickets to get.
Oh.
I wonder if you can use them, like, can you?
Normally we end up in Jumping Jacks or Revolutions, but they weren't that busy, and it was a bit cold the other night, wasn't it?
How do you really have to think about that?
No, well, I like
Exactly.
Waikiki, but I like it when it's,
Live.
yeah, when there's stuff going on. Otherwise, it's just
Do you
like any
want to
other
go to
bar.
the Paradise Club?
Where's that? Hang on.
Yeah.
Hang on. Is that a naughty club?
Ain't no one.
Oh,
I'd
yeah.
show that. You'd definitely have to
Paradise
show it.
Club.
Oh,
Anyone been in there?
what's that? The chocolate?
Definitely not for me. Jumping Jacks. What's that over there? Tramps. Legendary Tramps and Lineker's. Still going strong after all these years. That used to be the place in the 90s, Lineker's. Good pile in there. Crazy nights. Glorious weather. It's why we like Tenerife in January. Always guarantee the winter sun.
Oh,
And we like it a little bit on the cheap side. Budget friendly. You have to check out our Laguna Park 2 review. People on a budget. It's the worst rated TripAdvisor hotel, but is it as bad as people say it is? You'll have to find out. I'll put the video at the end of the description. Check it out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. All you people sat at home. Steakhouse, anyone been in there? Always looks nice. Let's get a bit frightened eating paella when we're away. Just in case I'll get sick. What do you think about the hotel paella so far?
I've not had any.
No, not I'm a bit scared.
I didn't, especially after last year.
We got a bit sick on the paella last year. Leonardo's. That's good. If anyone goes Leonardo's, old Terry Evans works in there. Tezza, there's DJ Tramps as well. He's actually on at Waikiki tonight. Good singer, good laugh as well. I'll be filming a vlog of our night out in Waikiki. Another video to check out. Whew. Which parts do you prefer walking along, Reagan?
The what?
Which bits do you prefer walking along?
What? As in
I'll
paths
walk along
or
here,
roads?
yeah. Do you prefer the sea?
Yeah, I prefer to see.
What, not even along the Golden Mile? It's quite nice down there.
I'm a seagull.
But we tend to walk everywhere, don't we?
Yeah.
So if we walk one direction there, we come the other way back. We'll have a walk.
It's a good job.
Although, going to Park 2, the walk's been a bit of a struggle. And you've got to be a hardened hiker for that hill. Check out the video for that one.
The walk's not too bad.
No. I think it's the longer you're here, the more you have to keep coming up and down the hill. It starts, your legs are aching and burning. Oh. But if you like staying in shape as well after eating all that all-inclusive, you soon burn that off.
That's just walking around the hotel.
Yeah. That's where Waikiki is, up that road. Don't know what the name of the road is, but you got Wakonda there, and then you got there on the left, Waikiki. Best bar in Tenerife, we reckon. Plus, we've been going there so long, they give us free drinks now, don't they? They love seeing us when we turn up. Oh, my friends on the house. And they're good in there, they get rid of all the riff-raff, don't they? Anyone they spot that looks a bit dodgy, local pickpocketers, they turf them out a bit quick. They do look after you. PJs. PJs. Got wear your PJs down there, don't they?
Yeah. I didn't bring any.
Everyone's out enjoying the sun. Beautiful day. Oh, we got Mr. Miyagi's in Portsmouth, haven't we?
Is it still open?
Mrs. Miyagi's over there. No, I think it's shut down actually, isn't it? Something else. Oh, I've got a right sweat on.
Half a point, 150.
Half a pint, 150. That's the same. We are on the search on this walk for the legendary €1 pint. See if it still exists.
Not found it yet.
Any of our viewers know where the legendary €1 pint lies in Tenerife? Is there a place? Pop it in the comments below. Tell us where it is. Because we're still struggling to find it. What we got for breakfast on there? $3.95, $3.50 beans on toast. Oh. Bottlenecked, we bottlenecked. Oh, I'm literally sweating buckets. Can't complain though. Can't complain because it's raining and cold at home. Come from grey skies for months, haven't we?
Mm.
Why is it when it rains we moan it's raining, when it's cold we moan it's cold, and the sun comes out, which you want, and then you go, oh, it's too hot. Why are we never happy?
Who does that?
Everyone does.
I don't do that.
Oh, no, but loads of people do. I do it. I say, oh, it's too hot, and oh, it's too cold.
That's because you're a man and you just moan.
But why am I
all the
moaning
time.
for? It's like, this is what I want. Oh, I'm sweating now and I'm moaning. I could be at home freezing.
And
Makes
wet.
no sense, does it? Spin your back around, see what's going on. Right, we did go there, didn't we? Monday night.
Where? Oh yeah.
Gaelic corner.
Yeah.
Check out the Dubliner downstairs, but we peaked a bit too soon. We were struggling in there. We went downstairs, and there was only about 3 people in it. It's too early apparently.
And the music was a bit weren't really upbeat, wasn't it?
No. That's because someone was a little bit drunk as well. And did we mention that someone threw up?
Shut up.
Bless her cotton socks. There you go, a bit of surfers there. It's a day for it as well. Plenty of waves ripping in. Check out our other video as well, the walk from Fanabe beach all the way through to Del Duque. Lovely walk that was, wasn't it?
Yeah.
January walks in Tenerife 2026. If you're new to the channel and you like all the budget travel ideas and content, the Weekend Warriors, hit that subscribe button, smash the likes. We also got in our T4 camper van around Cornwall, exploring all the deepest, darkest depths. Give you the prices of the campsite, food reviews. And we also love a bit of Tenerife, fun adventures. We're always away. Weekends are for the living, aren't they, Ray?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, they are, darling.
Yeah. Work hard all week. You've got to enjoy your weekends. You'll never get the weekends back. That's a fact. Once they're gone, they're gone. Make the most of them. Oh, quite enjoying. Mate.
No, thank
I'm okay,
you.
thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hey, Miss Greg. You recognised you, didn't you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the one that was sick the other night. Oh, dear. Oh, squeeze through the middle. Very good, very nice. Very good, very nice. Very fresh. We haven't found him yet, have we?
No. He's apparently down this end.
Oh, I'll find him. He's good. Hello, chicken nugget.
Yeah, he's down this end apparently.
Buy one, get none free. Oh. Anyone stayed there? I never see this hotel on any of the travel sites. Fuck, Santiago. That's a classic one. H10. Very good, very nice. I'm not gonna stop saying that all day now.
Stop yourself.
Can't help it, it's so catchy. I reckon you should go on X Factor. Make sure to join us next time as we walk from Costa Adeje to El Duque.
More Britain's Got Talent, yeah. Wait to see Millie's face.
Next level brown here, wasn't he? Yeah, Mills is going to be an awe. Mills, he's browner than you.
What's that? For what?
If you enjoyed this
Why?
video, you're going to love this one next.
We're still in bloody Las America.